We just get some dinner and go home. We never really plan to do nothing. But
She have the good things then. Take care of the good things then. Is it? She can get another good thing.
Pause right there.
For the good things then.
Not happening. Thank you.
Thanks.
We get tropical rhythm, pineapple guava.
Chocolate butter.
This is a year one shake up. Look on the difference.
But I feel like sweet.
Oh God, can you try it back in it?
No, you mess up it. Look at that.
So fresh.
You mess up it.
We're coming from church, anyway. I will say, but I'm going somewhere. Some people say they want to call ahead and tell them chef for their yard. Say they want this and that, but you mean I have no chef for my yard? I said we could go somewhere instead.
How will I talk about it?
Some people me show me stone never call no. Oh that go? I'm sure me call never call no.
You think that me?
That thing get it for do bite.
Don't do that.
Hey guys, so it's nice. Oh, see cooler. Never see. When I take a pull the pen out the phone.
Yes, I don't.
Yeah? Just eat on passage. Yeah, there. I like pianos. Talk up to the view, girl. That's a Maria. We come on, some people, we want to go in a crowd, so we come on this.
So it's all going to stand.
So this time of the day. What? That's the one I was running about the little sleep. So guys, we need you guys to book us a room somewhere for the weekend or for a week.
Scary. I location man, that's why it's that.
Jamaica, you pick? Jamaica love hang up people phone and say, if you can't see nothing on the screen, you love video call.
Papi, hang up before a while ago.
Oh, man, that's a bit.
One dog nearly bite me. Well, I only nearly bite ka. Me draw back. As we come through the door. I'm coming through the door right here. So. Our man with one dog. It's sit down right there. And we just go, well, Jerome got through the door before me. And we hear, so me drive back through the door because me said, me don't know what. The dog nearly bite and the dog and a bark.
Then what if you have a dog at this space?
No,
I won't guess. But then gone, you know. They sit down right at the door. And but they wrap up, they have the dog for one leash and then wrap up. They wrap up the leash around the chair so you can't
But
draw.
you draw the chair. That's not pull the chair.
a bit windy because we're right on the seaside. The food come. Right? People, your own box of food. A joke, we have one box at your room. Couldn't eat it all. It's reasonable though. How much do you think it comes to? Comment down below. I am looking at you.
Alright, well, not to put it in your mouth, but put it in your mouth one more time. No, don't put it in my
I think
mouth.
that's some. We're sharing. This view is giving me the sleeps. It's so nice. It tastes like this one. Tastes fresh. We are going home, y'all.
Happy do them here, people.
Oh God.
Do
It's
the
Father's Day.
For Father's Day, do them here.
He's giving you
And not to get a
your
little treat, the
trophy.
mother would have said, boy, you know I'm not going to allow you to clean that.
But you start before me reach.
Go, we'll start before we reach. You know, so I'm doing it. Couldn't get a complete treat, and the treat was done, one load of dodo.
That's the pool there that we were looking at. So these are the grounds. It's pretty nice. I'm not even gonna
In the future, when I'm rolling up to my house, it's gonna look like this. You know what I'm saying?
have a look at the area over
Green
there.
estate.
It's nice, right? And the ocean. That's their sign. That is up there. And I guess it good. Hopefully, because we now end of it. Alright. On time.
I'm gonna feel like a mountain.
So, how was it?
Like, I give milestone like 100%. Not 100, I give them 90% credit for all them chicken, fried chicken. Like, you just have that thing about it. And when I like come here, Casa Maria, I was hoping to find something very, very close or even better. And it was almost close to milestone. Milestone still have a thing still, but it was really good. I'm not disappointed. I'm actually gonna come back. Yeah. So people in and around St. Mary, I know a lot of time I pass Casa Maria, and we might just say, yeah, Casa Maria, I not like them food that go on with things. So you don't have to be going to the hotel. You have to basically book or reserve, not like you have to have a weekend or nothing like that. No, you can just go there just with dine. And I can tell you too, they are very cheap. Like honestly, You know, so when I go dine for 2 years, I expect like one 10 grand bill or something like that. It was like way less than that. So if you're planning on dining out on a budget, and budget with a capital B, check out Casa.
Capital B, U, D, N, G, everything.
Check them out. The food really good. Presentation is okay. The view is really awesome. So I think they deserve that exposure. So we can check them out.
Yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it. But I didn't want to sit down and look more because as you could have seen, I was very out of it and very sleepy. But yeah.
I didn't want to stay, but I'm tired, man. I really want to go home, but I'm a bit tired, honestly. I'm trying to really plan for it neither.
Oh dear. But yeah.
Big up on yourself, no long time we don't post no videos still. But like, subscribe, share, tell somebody about I am ready for love. Love you.
Yes, we love some Tuti Fruti. Thank you. So, let's talk about Tuti Fruti. Yes.
I'm so sorry. No, me, don't. Okay.
Father brought out his son without his
People, me change him not too long, so we never realize.
Hey guys, this is Jerome's cup. You can get lychee and strawberry with cherries and grapes. Me get red velvet and red velvet. What we get again? Birthday cake with nerds, sour strips, and cherries with a little bit of chocolate sauce in the middle. It's a frozen yogurt night. Yeah, eat it now or eat it when you go? When you go? Okay guys, so we're going home now. More than likely this will be the very end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
I'm sorry, here that I brought you outside and you just spot her.
We never realized we will come out at Tuti Fruti. But anyhow, we're going to devour this and call it a night because I well want to sleep. As you know, see me sitting at the table just space out. It's time for bed. Okay? Alright, so it's actually 7 o'clock now in the night. So so it's actually time to go home. People are passing and look at me now. So bye guys. See you now in the next video. Bye.
Don't do a laugh.